You know, I promised myself that I would never ever look at a Forex Robot, but I've had 13 people, not a whole lot, asking about Wall Street Forex Robot, what I thought about it. And I'll be straight up, Forex Robots EAs to me are mostly garbage. But first, before I start looking through here, I want to highlight something. This is the members area section that I'm in, which means I have reached out to these people and I've told them who I was. I showed them my work. Um, and I said, I want to take a look at your product. Will you give me access? And if they didn't give me access, I'll be honest, I'd make a video about that. If you're not going to give me access, especially considering the videos that I've put out, um, and I trade and I sent them the stuff, then what are you hiding? So they gave me access. So let's take a quick look at the sales page. This is not a sales page. Oh, actually, I'm already on this. That's interesting. I didn't get to the sales page. Let me go home. Hold on. There we go. Now we're home. So I'm still in the members area. Good. Okay. So this is the sales page. You got a discount going on. Great. Broker SPY model, increased profitability. I cannot speak about anything about this. I don't know. I do like this though. Real-time update settings. I think that is this is a pretty vital thing, right? It just updates automatically. That's what you want. You know, when there's updates to something to happen automatically. Uh, Nothing here is really striking me. Live performance. That's always nice. 365% profit. This is on using the Asia one, recovery. This is using MyFX book, and I'll be honest with you, I've never used MyFX book. I got no use for that. I'm not trying to prove anything to anybody. And this kind of bothers me. This is leverage 500 to 1, and they are trading demo. So keep that in mind. There's nothing wrong with that, because you flip through on here, we got a real account. Still using 500, which again to me is a little high. But it's fine. It is what it is. The good thing is it's a real account. So, and this is a demo account, and that's a demo account. Let's quick look at these things. Why people fail, and they do. Most traders do fail. You know it. Insufficient experience. Most traders learn from a Forex factory. The only way to get experience in trading is to actually trade something, a robust system, and most people don't have that. No clear trading tactics. Exactly. You know, people don't even know what they're trading. They've heard something works, they trade it. They don't know why it works, what the edge is, they have no idea. And then when it's not working anymore, what do? They do this. Poor trading discipline. They jump off to something else. The next holy grail. Poor risk management. Absolutely. Risk will kill you. You can Van Tharp did a test where it was basically a coin flip entry, and it was just risk that kept them alive, and they actually made money on it. So risk management is vital. If you're not paying close attention to this, then just send me a check for your account. Intuitive trading, that's not a bad thing. My trading is not mechanical, and I use intuition, but also because I've got number one, I actually have sufficient. Well, not sufficient. I got enough experience that I keep building on. There you go. Trading using Forex robots developed by people with insufficient experience. Well, yeah, anyone can slap up, if you know programming, can make an EA and sell it. Program a moving average crossover with divergence, and then you got something you could sell. Trading against a trend, most traders like to pick tops and bottoms. Our counter trend traders think the market's gone too far too fast. It's like those people are trying to sell overbought markets because it's overbought and the market just keeps on going, right? There's got to be a reason to do what you're doing. Failure to use defensive stops. I know I can't speak to that. Stacking further losses. Yeah, actually, absolutely. Adding to losing positions. Closes and 100% unbiased. Well, yeah, it's a robot, so it better. But that's not a bad thing. A lot of big traders and funds use automatic trading, and this is what this is here. Basically, what they're saying is that it's based on low risk scalping. I didn't want the box. Is based on low risk scalping with these trends. Not a bad idea, actually, and done properly, that can actually work. We already read that. Yes, automatic risk calculating algorithm. Very, very important. you gotta protect your marbles, man. If you don't, then game's over. Professional traders and software developers. I don't know if they're professional traders. No one really does. Opens the positions against daily movements only where such moves have a high probability of success. There you go. And keep into the trading method. This is I did it again. That's vital. Keep into a trading method. Most traders don't even have a trade plan. So if you can't even follow your own rules, something like this is actually not a bad idea. Protects these positions through defensive stops. All right. Talks about back testing historical results. I don't put a whole lot of weight in back tests. Not because they're historical, just because I can see it, right? And it's easy to tweak things to fit the 17-year back test. I'm more of a forward tester and live trading kind of guy. Back test will give you an idea how your trading system works, but I wouldn't hang my hat on that. But if you're not back testing, you're missing a big portion of what it's going to take to succeed. 92% winning trades, maybe, depending on what they're judging that on. Is a 1 pip a winning trade. Maximum drawdown, that's acceptable. Total profit, that's pretty good, I guess. Profit factor, 1.78, that's fine as well. It's nothing magical, but you can actually do well with something like that. That's it. Make your move now. Guarantee, how many days? You got 60 days here. Okay, good. Top features, any MT4 broker, ECN included. Most brokers will say they're ECN, but most are not true ECNs. Trade micro, which is very important because most of you people out there are undercapitalized anyway, and this will allow you to keep a decent risk profile without blowing your accounts. Okay, let's go back up here. Close your eyes for a second while I scroll up. There you go. So you can see this is my account. This is the download section here. It's automatic installer. That's good. Or you can do this all manually, which I personally wouldn't. Fast backtesting version. This is what I'm going to do. I have not started it yet, but I'm going to backtest this after I understand how to use it, because I have no clue. So I'm going to do that, and we'll see what we come up with. Got a user guide. I actually downloaded that already. I'll show you that in a second. Recommendations. Let's see what they're saying here. These are the pairs: pound, euro, and US dollar, Japanese yen. Most liquid with lowest spreads. Pretty much. Technically, yeah, these are actually better markets on a technical base. But, you could trade most markets. Not using this, obviously. Just in general. It doesn't matter if it's predictable or not. We're not predicting as traders. So that sentence bugs me. Only because I'm not predicting anything when I personally trade. I'm basically reacting to an area or a price action that I saw. I don't predict anything. Just so happens that at times you're bang on with your thoughts of a trade. Other supported currency pairs. You know what? Just anything that's small pips. It's not bad. Using a reasonable risk between 1 to 5%, even 5% on the high end. But let's be honest, since most of you are undercapitalized, you're going to need to build your account somehow. And if you can do it with 1% risk, good on you. But I know when I started trading, I had a smaller account, and I actually started putting more up on my risk. I think I was risking at 11% or something ridiculous like that. But it built your account, and it was a 1,020 pip trade in a yen cross that that paid off for me. So that's how I built my account. Anyways, check it out. I'm going to do my own back testing. You can do it yourself as well. New VPS. Oh, that's interesting. Anyways, I'm going to do my own testing. You do your own testing. Click the link, download it. All right. If you don't like it, just cancel it. But give it a shot, and we'll compare notes. But look for another video where I'll have some results for you, hopefully. We'll figure this thing out. Thanks for watching.